Come on, you guys are gonna travel in style. Yeah, Mom doesn't need to know who followed you home. To the sink! You guys could use a bath. All it takes is a little soap, water, and elbow grease. Hope that bow's not dry clean only. Okay, Oren, it's your turn. Oh no! Does your face hurt? Well, it's killing us. Don't worry, we can fix you up. All better. And let's throw in a quick shave, too. Probably should pop that pimple while we're here. Ah, you two have... Wow! You're all interplanet Janets! And look! Maruna's lost her Wyram! Use your new superpowers to help! But where do we start? We should ask for clues. Okay, Mama Binaria, what's in the carry-on? Baby stuff. Okay, you can go. You're next, Top Hat. Is that a bomb? You have a right to remain silent. Use it. Hi, Aqua. Did you have worm for lunch? We're gonna need to make a little incision. Reunited, and it feels so good. And looks like Mr. Black's getting a cellmate. How can she thank you? That'll do it.
Yes!
It's good to be back in the flesh. It looks like this one's got a pinky theme.
Come on!
We've got a DJ, but we're gonna need a turntable. Take a cardboard box. Make smaller boxes. Now we'll need buttons in all sizes. Next, we're gonna need an aluminum can. Just skim a little off the top. And add to a box. It needs a little something.
Wow!
Aha! Talk about a real bandstand. Speaking of which, this will give it some legs to stand on. Okay, DJ Oren, time to show your stuff. Get out of the pool, everyone. It's time to dance. Or just sway to the music. That works too. It's getting late. Oh, but first, why not turn on the heat? Things are about to start popping around here. Popcorn.
Whoa.
Aim for the cup. The cup! Looks great. Where's the salt? Maybe some butter. Hold on, that's not for you. It's a Sprunki treat. Eat up, guys. Don't worry, we'll help you. Uh-oh, now they're thirsty, and we didn't even add salt. Why don't we whip up a drink stand? And who better to help than our old pal Coca? Of course, variety is the spice of life. Add a coin and pick your poison. Durple's getting orange soda, a classic.
Yeah!
Next up, some cola and lemon lime. Simon just loves citrus. Now green for red and red for green. Ooh, it's lunchtime. How about some greens? Oh, delicious broccoli. Healthy and looks like trees. But I guess they're hard to keep down. We hear you. Everyone needs variety. So how about we go fishing? Ah, who needs worms? Slime's even stickier. Still, I'm almost tempted to throw some things back. Either way, all we need's a good recipe. They just need some time in our oven. Sushi? That must be some oven. Especially since sushi's served cold and raw. Either way, he likes it. And here's your tip. Next up, we gotta make our own maze. But first, we need to find some supplies. Lots of emphasis on the fine part. Ooh, red paint. That's a good start. Looks like we need 2 more things. A plug. We're almost done. One more thing. Aha! A blank sheet of paper. Their powers combined make a printer. But the mixing fun isn't over yet. Throw things in and get something new. Like this cute toy ambulance. But it still needs something to drive on. Okay then, one road coming up. Place it where the ambulance can reach it. We're gonna need more turns. Of course, a maze needs dead ends. We reached our patient, but we still need something. Like scissors for all this twine. Look, Oaxis has got our next key. Our Sprunki friends look a little washed out. Don't worry, our emotion friends can help. They always make the world a colorful place. Now who could use a little disgust green? Here's looking at you, Oaxis. Next up is Joy's bright sunny yellow. I think this will suit you, Simon. Feeling blue? Sadness has got you covered. You just know cyan is Sky's color. Flip them over to see how they look. Looking good. And so does this key. Ooh, clear. I think we found them all. Don't worry, Pinky. We'll get you out of there. Aw, it was all worth it just to see that smile again. After all, there could be hidden treasures. That bike pump could be handy. But look, slime! You can never go wrong with slime! Especially when it comes with tools inside. Slime sure is the gift that keeps on giving. We'll have your bike fixed up in a jiffy. And just in time, Simon's gotta head home. Here, Pinky, a strawberry donut. Your favorite. Oh, I cry too when there's no more donuts. Oh, I see. You're not feeling well, are you? Well, whatever this is, better out than in, I always say. Good to see you're eating your carrots. You don't need this. You're already all heart. And you can always make your own luck. A bug? Well, protein is protein. Ooh, a star. Why don't we mix all these ingredients up? Pinky prefers things shaken, not stirred. Now let's bring everything together. Ooh, it kind of looks like a parfait. But we're gonna heat things up.